I think a lot of people own a blender. Do you own a blender? If so, do I have a treat for you? It comes from this cookbook, Blender Cookbook. Guess what I'm making? Ham balls. Ham balls is something that'll probably make you happy. It's something my mom made before, and me and my sister, we would eat it and just laugh. So grab that blender and let's get blending. Let's start with some diced ham. Let's blend it a bit. I'm tearing up some bread slices and putting those inside with 2 eggs and a 1/4 cup of milk. Blend that up. Form your balls and brown your balls. Time to make some sauce. Let's start with some jellied cranberry sauce inside the blender. A tablespoon of steak sauce. A little brown sugar. A little oil. And a little mustard. Blend until smooth. And pour it over the ham balls. We're going to cover that and cook it for 20 minutes. Very saucy. Blender ham balls. I'm having them with mashed potatoes. Let's try these. Very unique flavor. And the consistency is a little unusual. I really do love the flavor of the sauce. Is ham balls something you would enjoy? You'd never know unless you try it. Thanks for watching me on Jim's Kitchen. Have a great day. Where's the cheapest place to buy ham? Amazon.